no one knows exactly how the orb came to be. The legends surrounding it say that the Orb of Europa's light was forged in the aftermath of World War II, a period that marked one of the darkest times in European history. In the wake of destruction, visionary leaders and citizens alighted for a new era of peace, cooperation, and democracy. Among them, figures like Robert Schuman and Jean Monnet envisioned a united Europe, bound not by force, but by shared values and mutual respect. To symbolize and actualize this vision, these pioneers collaborated with artisans, scholars, and philosophers across the continent to create the orb. Instead of physical fragments, the orb is said to be forged from 4 symbolic elements that represent the core values and milestones of the European project. Peace, unity, democracy, and freedom. To this day, no one knows how the orb was forged and through what techniques. Some believe it was made using magic or other arcane techniques. Others believe it was a gift from the gods of democracy to protect the continent that gave birth to it. In the near future, the fabric of European democracy is threatened by a shadowy figure known as the Silencer, who has stolen the Orb of Europa's light. In the Silencer's hands, the power of the orb is suppressed by his darkness, and its light slowly dwindles and fades, casting a growing shadow over the continent. As the orb's glow dims, so too does the spirit of collaboration, open dialogue, and mutual respect that has been the hallmark of the European project. Across nations, a chilling effect takes hold. Political discourse becomes strained and divisive. Mistrust between member states rises, and the vibrant tapestry of diverse cultures and ideas that define Europe begins to unravel. In this climate of uncertainty and fear, the foundational pillars of democracy are under siege. The Silencer, exploiting the discord, weaves a web of misinformation and manipulation, aiming to reshape Europe into a monolith of silence, where dissent is not just discouraged but obliterated. Even amidst this darkness, a spark of hope emerges. You are the last hope to reclaim the orb and restore the fundamental elements of our union. We rely on you to confront the challenges and move towards a brighter future for Europe.